I've just come across a tiger snake, slowly crossing the road. It's probably about get under a metre long. Just wait till he gets off the road. He did a few quick little jerks to get in the cover. Okay. And he's off the road anyway. So I'm out the bush out behind English Town, and I'm near the track that goes into, there's a walking track going up Raggedy Jack. So I'm going to try and get the drone up and just film some of that. So here's the track. If you go out past English Town, you end up on this little forestry road here, and it runs along near the foot of Raggedy Jack, and off in the distance is Ben Lomond. So I came along here, and there's a road, a track that leads off this gravel road that goes up to a car park. And from that car park there's a walking track somewhere that takes you right up here, up Raggedy Jack. So I rode up there to the car park and then flew the drone just to try and see the top of this hill, but it was difficult because the elevation's too high. So from where I was standing, the drone ended up 500 meters high, even though it was not far above the treetops. And that was about as high as it would let me go. So anyway, this video just shows the drone's path going up here, then sort of panning across the mountain, went up a little bit higher, and then came back. So that's what you're going to see. There's a bit of a clearing here, so I'll just park the bike here and put the drone up. A lot of birds around here. So this is a replacement for the one that I crashed and broke. So this is a Mavic Air 2S. I got it like new but cheap. Well, I got close to that Mount Raggedy Jack, but the drone hit its maximum altitude and the battery was getting low, so I had to return. Anyway, I'll see what the video comes out like. I'm heading back out now. This is what forestry in Tasmania looks like in many, many places. Trees like this one here, I think, blew over in the high winds at the start of September. Yeah, so that's just a sample of what it can look like. In front of me it's a huge big pine plantation now. There's still, well, they're going to be for a long time, many trees down that got blown over. So all those ones across the road got blown over. And every side track you see in the bush, it's like that. Some of them are just impassable with the number of trees down. The road out is down to my left, but there's a bunch of trees down. So I think I have to go back out up here. Quite steep. Bumblebee trying to chase us.